Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Tube. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Amazon Prime Video. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Prime Video app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you do that, launch the app and on the screen you can see options like signing in or creating new account. You have to select create new account. Once you tap on create a new account, all you have to do is give your first and last name, your phone number or your email, then create a password. Then you have to tap on verify mobile number or verify email address. To do that, tap on verify, then it's gonna send you a verification code on your phone. You might also have to prove that you're a human by following few CAPTCHA steps. Once you get that verification code, tap it and tap on create new Amazon account. And guys, that's it. That's how you sign up for Amazon Prime Video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.